Hello students, let's begin the third tense of our group B, that is continuous tense. And you know what is the name of our third tense from group B? Oh, that is future continuous tense. Before this, we have studied present continuous, then past continuous, and now we want to go for future continuous tense. It's a third and the last tense of our group B, that is continuous tense. Okay, so what is the structure or formula of this tense? We want to understand here. That is subject, then we have helping verb, that is shall be, oblique, will be, then we have compulsory before, then plus O oblique C. So this is the structure of future continuous tense. S plus shall be, will be, plus before, plus object oblique complement. Right? So let us begin. Example first, which subjects or which persons will take which helping verb? We need to understand this. That is why I am writing examples. Otherwise, I don't need to write examples. Okay. So we have first persons. Do you know which are the first person, singular and plural? Oh, that is I oblique we. I is singular first person and we is plural first person, and they always take shall be. So I and we are called as subject. This is a helping verb, and then this is V4, then this is object. So this is V4 and this is object. So while reading, how are we going to read? I shall be drinking water. We shall be drinking water. In this way we should read and try to understand structure. See, subject for subject, then helping verb shall be there, then V4 is also there, then object is also there. Okay. But we have another helping verb, that is will be. तो एग्जाम्पल 2 में हम देखने वाले हैं यहाँ पे विल बी कौन से सब्जेक्ट लेता है देखो सो वी हैव second person singular as well as plural, that is you. Then third person singular we have he, she and it, and name of person like example Ram. And third person plural we have, that is they. So these persons are only called as subject, and they will take helping verb, that is will be. Then V4 for V4, no change in V4, and no change in object also, that is same. So while reading, how are we going to read it? To understand structures, so you will be drinking water, he will be drinking water, she will be drinking water, it will be drinking water, or Ram will be drinking water. In this way we are going to read, they will be drinking. So second person you, third person singular, he, she, and name of person Ram, and plural, that is they. They will take will be, and first person singular as well as plural, that is I and we. They take shall be. Never forget, please. Okay. Now go for use of the future continuous. So what is the use of future continuous? In future, when particular action will be continue for temporary time in future. To describe that action, we use future continuous tense. For example, I shall be singing a poem in a function. I shall be singing a poem in function. So here, singing a poem in function is temporary action and it will be continued for temporary time, but in which tense? In future time. So describe such temporary actions which are going to be continued for temporary time in future. We use future continuous tense. I hope you have understood future continuous tense. Thank you, students. Goodbye.